Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Honda Civic badge. First, gather your essential tools, including a heat gun, fishing line, and a plastic trim removal tool. Next, thoroughly clean the area around the existing badge to ensure a clear workspace. Finally, apply painter's tape around the badge to protect your vehicle's paint from accidental scratches during the removal process. This preparation is key for a smooth change. Now let's remove the old badge. Gently apply heat to the badge using your heat gun for about 30 seconds to soften the adhesive. Be careful not to overheat the paint. Then, slide a piece of fishing line behind the badge, using a sawing motion to cut through the softened adhesive. Once most of the adhesive is cut, carefully pry off the badge with a plastic trim tool, avoiding any metal tools. With the old badge removed, it's crucial to prepare the surface for the new one. Use an automotive adhesive eraser wheel to gently remove any remaining glue residue from the paint. This step ensures a perfectly smooth surface. After that, clean the area thoroughly with an automotive degreaser to eliminate any oils or contaminants. Finally, make sure the surface is completely dry before you attempt to install your new badge. It's time to install your new Honda Civic badge. Carefully peel the backing off the new badge, exposing the adhesive. Take your time to precisely align the badge in its desired position before pressing it firmly onto the clean surface. Apply even pressure across the entire badge for about 30 seconds to ensure a strong, lasting bond. For other great deals, including an amazing robot vacuum to keep your car's interior spotless, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.